Hidden in the dark, a Lamborghini wedge waits under dust, damp, and silence. The red is still there, but only as a whisper. The rot always begins where the eye stops looking. Frozen, but not beyond saving.
Before we remove anything, we record everything. No sudden moves. This car leaves slowly.
It moved, but only just. That's enough.
Now we move the shape and keep every scar intact for the journey.
First, we remove the wear of the warehouse, not the story.
The dirt leaves first. The damage stays, for now.
Now you can read the name, but the work hasn't even started.
We don't guess the repair. We map it first.
Loose dirt comes out first. The real restoration comes later.
That's the first real release. The Urraco is finally coming apart.
Order comes before rebuilding, always. Nothing gets polished yet. First, it all comes apart. Here's the heart, and it hasn't moved in a very long time.
Before we save the engine, we have to understand how it failed. Nothing clean starts with contaminated fluid.
We cut where the strength is gone, not where it's convenient.
We don't chase the rust. We cut it out clean.
A perfect repair starts as a perfect outline.
New steel, shaped to match the old intent.
Fit first, heat second. That's how lines survive.
Stitch by stitch, the shape comes back.
The seam disappears, but the restoration has only just begun.
The heart doesn't come out fast, it comes out carefully.
Every line has a place. Every connector has a memory.
Now the heart is free, and the real truth is visible.
This is the damage nobody sees until the engine is gone.
Everything tired comes apart first. Strength comes later. Under the grime, there's still structure worth saving.
We don't chase rust blindly. We define it first.
This is how you make room for strength.
New metal starts as a pattern, then becomes structure.
A clean shape starts with controlled bends.
Fit is everything. Weld just makes it permanent.
Stitch by stitch, the floor comes back.
The repair disappears. The honesty stays.
A strong repair is sealed before it's hidden. Only what the repaired gets protected. Nothing sooner. Quiet strength, installed 1 millimeter at a time.
Stopping power returns the same way it left, piece by piece.
This is how compression comes back, quietly.
A first start begins here, long before the key turns.
Now the engine starts becoming an engine again. We smooth the repair, not the whole story.
Straightness is earned, one pass at a time.
The light tells the truth, and we follow it.
Only the repaired metal gets sealed. Nothing jumps ahead.
It's stronger now, but it still hasn't earned its Rosso shine.
Now the light starts judging the metal. The panel tells the truth if you sand it long enough.
Only what's wrong gets corrected, nothing more. Straight enough now because the light says so.
Protection follows repair, never the other way around.
Now the body is one surface again, ready to be judged.
This is where the wedge becomes sharp again.
Inside and out, the same color has to arrive together.
Now the Urraco starts looking like itself again.
Color first, shine later.
Now the Rosso stops being color and starts becoming depth. One more layer, and the body starts to breathe.
The color is back. The car still has to earn the rest.
Clean edges. Now the real finishing begins.
The mirror only comes after the texture is gone.
Now the Rosso starts to look dangerous.
The shine is ready. The car still isn't. Now it's worth assembling.
Now the wedge starts standing on proper bones again.
Power means nothing without control.
The shell is ready now. Time to give it a heart again.
Now the wedge has a heartbeat waiting inside it. Everything is connected now. Nothing left but truth.
Now the inside finally belongs to the outside.
That sound is the wedge coming back to life.
Not just alive, stable.
It moves like a Lamborghini again, and now it's ready to be shown.
The last details go on, and the shape finally feels complete.
Now the Rosso stops reflecting light and starts bending it.
A wedge this sharp has to sit exactly right.
Inside and out, one Rosso identity.
Now the wedge has presence and pulse.
Even the stop feels not wild, precise. Exactly what this car needed.
Nothing left behind.
Nothing left to hide, nothing left to correct. Same wedge, same car.
A different existence. Rust to Rosso, the whole story in one glance.
This line was always special. Now it's sharp again.
The work steps back. The car stays. From rust to Rosso revival, the Urraco lives again.